Here comes the train.
Oh, really? Oh, here we are.
Here we are.
Okay. Let's do it. That's
train.
great timing.
We can't find anybody out here to give the key to, so I'm just gonna leave the key in the vehicle.
1, 2, 3, go!
Riding to Jiufen. Look, it's so many. Oh my gosh, it just goes on and on and on. And they keep building more of these. Like, these are just getting built. How many people do these have to house? A lot.
I think we found where the 24 million people live.
Good Lord.
All right, we are coming up to Jiufen here. Just got here, driving up this little mountain road. And got some signage. We're gonna find parking.
Okay, we got, whoa, low parking. Whoa. Oh my. Good job, man.
We want the couple's photo. Hey, all right.
Can we get in half?
Yes.
Fantastic. That's pretty good. An enhanced peanut flavor.
It's like a smoothie. It's like a strawberry milkshake smoothie.
Strawberry milkshake.
It's delicious.
You want to try?
Yes.
Yeah, pineapple cake. This is homemade, original. 100% real pineapple.
Oh, the pineapple.
Yeah, pineapple. I want to introduce one more thing to you. If you like it, 250 give you 200 only. And the tea for free.
200 and the tea for free.
So, yes.
200 and we get the pineapple cakes. Is that
Pineapple
what's in it?
cake and the pineapple tea.
Okay,
Okay.
200.
Okay, 200. Okay.
That's
Okay,
good.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's good.
She's so cute.
Thank you very much. We appreciate you.
Have a nice day.
Bye. Oh, they've got more squid. All right, so what do you want a mission for?
Jade.
A dragon.
A jade dragon for good luck. Forget me.
Okay. We're looking for a jade dragon.
Good luck.
This guy would be your likely candidate.
Okay, I agree. Yeah, it's perfect.
Is that okay?
Either one of these are perfect.
How much for those two big ones?
1,000?
500. 1,500.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
That's fine.
All right.
Thank you.
You've got it.
It's fine. There's
Oh,
another one over here.
poor little dudes.
Wow. Wow.
All right.
A minute. We're going for a cream?
Cream puff.
Cream puff.
Let's go cream puff.
I have to break up 500.
For our cream puff. We never have enough change to spend our change, and then we get more change because we need to break our bills. So we ended up buying a change purse, but it's almost irrelevant.
Thank you. This is heavy. Let's see how cream puff tastes. It's cold and heavy.
Try the cream puff. Whoa, that's a good cream puff with 0 napkin aboard.
Wow.
That's a good one.
It's croissanty.
Looks like a croissant. What are your thoughts on the Roton slippers? Yeah, they look good.
They're cute.
100, thank you.
Thank you.
Shisha.
Great.
Hi, sweet boy.
Walk into, just kind of have an idea where a hotel might be. We'd eat and we're full. I say let's check out what's going up the stairs here. I don't know, but going up and down this street is not where Google wants us to go. So we'll see what happens when we pop out at the end of this flight of stairs.
Well, let's go up the stair alleyway.
I mean, I have no idea. Right.
Well, let's go up to the temple. Mountain, Sea, Bay, B&B.
Can we get one and one?
You want to choose which item?
The high mountain and the Dongding.
Alright, well, we just walked in, and now a tour group's arriving.
We got here just in the nick of time. This is beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, well, we've already put in our order. We were the only ones here.
So today the sunset time, I think the 6:20. So after the 6:20, you can visit the Army Tea House. Go there, take the good picture. Okay, and my friend, is there anyone lose your sticker? You need a new sticker here.
When we were in the traditional tea house ordering, and she went through the whole rigmarole of putting the order together.
And there's
I
like a
thought
minimum order.
Yeah, I thought we were gonna get like a teapot and a teacup. And
The whole
like
thing.
it was very like a thing. It's like, oh well, we haven't done tea yet. We should do that.
Right.
And then we got served our tea.
Cheers.
Cheers. Muy
Yeah.
tradicional.
It's got a good back. I don't know. Tea.
It's like tea, like unsweetened tea.
Well, the view is great.
The view's fantastic.
And this is the South China Sea that we're looking at. Sun setting soon. 5:30 at night. Beautiful here.
We found a craft beer shop.
It's fun.
Yeah, he gave us a nice table here. Right at the corner with a great view of the South China Sea. We're exploring stairs going up the side of the mountain because we like to go on side streets and explore random stairs.
Never find a hotel without navigation. We'll see.
Maybe. We'll see.
Maybe not. See where this takes us.
Google couldn't even find our hotel. We had to put in the address because it didn't know the name of it. Nighttime adventuring. We found the Dragon Temple, so we're very close. We just need to take this left. See? I knew we'd get it, honey.
Are these stairs? I know they're stairs.
Yeah, it's not an escalator. There's our Dragon Temple. That's a beautiful Dragon Temple. All right, we did climb a lot of stairs, and I do feel like we did work off a lot of calories.
No, a few calories.
A few calories.
Not enough. No.
Raindrops keep falling on my head. Do 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 do.
We just finished up with a wonderful breakfast here, and look at this beautiful view we've got here. This is absolutely just amazing. We're going to be heading to Shifen, to Shifen Falls in the downtown Shifen area, and explore over there. There's a train that runs through, so we're really looking forward to seeing that. There's a couple other stops that we might make as well. This will be our last day here in Taiwan. We are spending the night at an airport hotel tonight for an early morning flight tomorrow. We'll be dropping off our rental car tonight as well.
Yeah, it's been a great trip to Taiwan. Yeah,
Great, it's absolutely beautiful.
it's been absolutely beautiful. It's a great country, very nice people, some delicious food, and some beautiful sights and scenery.
Just really a great adventure, and highly recommend if you're up to it and you've got a good driver, is rent a car. It's been great, and thank you so much for joining us on our adventure. We will see you in Shifen Falls momentarily here. It only takes about 45 minutes, 45 minutes according to Google to drive there, so we will get there pretty quick. And remember to like and subscribe. Yeah, we appreciate you guys.
Taking you along on our journeys.
So we're just leaving our hotel in Jiufen, driving to Shifen, and look at this, just this beautiful gates over here. So cool.
You got the Guardians on the outside.
Look at these. So cool. Okay, we made it. The train goes here, I guess, every half an hour. It's raining and it is so hot. I cannot believe how hot it is. I just want to take water and pour it over me, which kind of the rain is doing.
Yeah. Kind of.
It's cool though. That train is going to be.
Yeah, train's gonna be coming through pretty soon.
It
Should be every half an hour, I
And it
guess.
kind of looks on shows. I don't know. When I've seen YouTube, it seems like you're like really close to it, but no, you're not that close. You are, but you're not.
Here comes the train.
Oh, really? Oh, here we are.
Here we are.
Okay, let's do it. That's
Train.
great timing. Okay, ooh, step back. Now it seems scary close. Okay.
Now it seems really close.
Oh, it is close. All right. Pretty close. All right, I'll
Yeah.
go with it's pretty close because the tracks are far, but the train comes out a couple feet. So I'd say it comes within
Yeah, that's pretty
2
close.
feet of you. It is pretty close.
Yeah, you shouldn't be out there on those rocks.
Interesting, though, that this town is built just right on the train tracks.
Yeah. We ran into a balloon shop. We've got
They're everywhere.
balloon stuff.
So we're choosing, and we're doing 4 colors, and we went through these, and we're going to go with this number 2, which is health, wealth, success, and popularity. Because we need our YouTube channel to grow.
There you go.
So we're just starting. We're baby at our YouTube, old and everything else, old and wise, and everything else. So we do want to be popular on YouTube because that's all fun. So health, wealth, success, and popularity. Great. Okay.
Cool.
Where you from? 4 size.
4 sides.
Is it okay that 3?
Now we change it.
Yeah.
Okay.
4 size.
4 chickens.
4 chickens. I think that's it. Good health for us and for our family. Okay. What do you want to write? For health.
I think that's something up for health. That's about all you need, right?
For our family and extended family. Come home. That says a lot.
Yeah.
Yellow is money and wealth. So I'm going to say,
Yes.
yes, I'm going to say good investments. Great investments.
There you go.
Meh.
Make money traveling.
Okay.
Sounds good.
By having you guys like and subscribe.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go!
How's that, Boba?
Delicious.
Yeah, it's a good one.
It's really good. So you got it with the coriander. No, coriander or cilantro? I don't know if they're the same, but try
They're the
it.
same.
Okay, I believe you. Also tastes whoa with that. Whoa, watch out. A lot of things here, babe.
That's good.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now,
Gives it a little bit of a more of a flair. Mm-hmm.
delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
All right, we have made it to Shifen, and we are walking to the waterfall right now.
We parked right by Old Town, some cars there. We could have driven up here, but it's no big deal. It's a 7-minute walk. So we
Maybe
have
we take a little hike.
2 minutes left to walk to the waterfall. Then we're going to walk back, go to the Old Town area. It's not even open yet. It's 9:20 in the morning, so it's really quiet,
Yeah, very
which
quiet.
is really nice. It makes it nice and peaceful before the tour buses get here.
Yeah, hardly anybody out on the street right now.
This town, all of it, I feel like a lot of Taiwan opens late and closes early.
Yep, they have a very limited business hours window.
Even in Taipei.
Mm-hmm.
Shifen Waterfall Park, I see the sign.
We've got a sign here.
Let's do it. It's ours.
Watch out for the train.
Right.
It's supposed to come every, what, half an hour? Yeah, it does
Turn
go
left.
right through town.
All right, this is the bridge that's leading into the Shifen Waterfall. So we're gonna walk across this cool suspension bridge. And we better hurry because the tourists are coming. The tourists are coming. Hurry.
All right.
Like you can see like a white balloon, a red balloon.
Oh yeah, those little balloons. All right. How you doing?
Pants out of my bed. Ass and should have worn his dress. My legs are fatter.
来这边请哦，
好，谢谢。
All right.
要不然他就要。
That's kind of cool. And up the stairs. Hi, babe.
Hi. Shifen Waterfall. It's beautiful.
Well, we found the rental car return place. We can't find anybody out here to give the key to, so I'm just going to leave the key in the vehicle. We're looking for the tax refund place.
And we found the car rental return place.
Looking for the tax place, and they wanted the key, so they went out and checked it. We're heading back there now. But the tax refund place is down this way.
That way. And we're in Terminal
near
1. There's a different
Yeah.
thing in Terminal 2, but Terminal 1 is where we had to return the car. So
Yeah.
there's a tax refund in both places.
Yep.
And we got back quite a bit, almost 7,000. But
Almost
we bought
7,000.
a couple
Yeah.
watches, so.
Yeah. So, yep.
Okay,
Anyway,
we gotta go deal with
figured
our
we'd
the very
deal,
end of our. But this whole thing hasn't been horrible. It's been less than an hour finding the car rental return, the parking spot, and then we had to move parking spots, and then came in and out of the airport trying to find this location. And
it was a little interesting.
yeah,
So
and we
it's all
did
worked
video
out.
record the car. So if we didn't see this, we did have everything recorded on the car.
Yeah. With the parking lot and the license
Parking
plate
lot,
and the walk
yeah.
around.
So always advised to do that. Just
Yeah, definitely.
you never know. They can say, "Oh, the car's smashed." You're like, "No, it's not."
No, it's
With
not.
the date, the time.
We returned it.
Yeah.
So these are our people.
So we just got to finish up. They had
Yep.
to go back out there and get.
Okay.
We're gonna go.
We're gonna finish up.
this up. A beautiful airport.
Yeah. So handsome.
It's got dirty dishes. It brings out food, which is kind of gross that it brings out food and dirty dishes on the same little platform.
Well, that's what servers do all the time.
I guess.
Yeah, that's the end of tipping culture in America as we know it. Yeah, 20% is going to go bye-bye because of that dude right there. All right, check out the Taipei airport in there, Rube.
Look at all the lines and fancy shops here. And security was actually pretty easy.
Yeah,
You know, we got through. It's busy, but it's very, very, very efficient.
yeah, very organized, very efficient.
We had a great time here. We stayed last night at the Hyatt Regency, the airport, since we have a morning flight.
5 minutes from the hotel.
And the shuttle, it was great. The food, we ate at a restaurant. The Chinese restaurant there was very good. There's a buffet, but boy, I feel like we've eaten enough this trip. We don't need a buffet. But it was really good. They had a little bar there and met some
Longshoremen.
oh gosh, they
Yeah,
work
they
on
were
like
from all
offshore windmills, and boy were they partying last night.
Yeah.
So
They were Scottish, Irish, English.
they were
and
funny.
it was a good time.
Okay, so now we're gonna find our gate.
G5
And
is right here.
oh, really?
That's it.
Oh, that's easy. Okay, now we're gonna go find our lounge.
Now we need to find the lounge.
We have priority pass from the Capital One Venture X card, which allows us the priority pass. So that's been
Awesome.
fun. That's been
Yeah.
fun. Highly recommend for travelers.
Definitely.
Okay.
It's almost my favorite part of the airport is finding the lounge.
Thanks for watching, and we will see you on our next adventure. And remember to like and subscribe.
Till next time.
Till next time.